Hey guys, Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2025, a brand new year. And I'm going to spend a portion of my day, how long that portion is, I'm not sure yet. I'll spend a portion of my day doing something I've not done in decades, and that is putting together a Lego kit. This Lego kit is for the Porsche 963. This is their endurance car. This is what they campaign in IMSA, Le Mans, the World Endurance Championship. My mother-in-law got this for me. She knows I'm a Porsche fan. She knows my dream car is a 911. And she was up in D.C. with my my wife's niece at a cheer thing or something. And they went to the Lego store, and me and my brother-in-law both got Legos. I don't know why I pointed. He's not here. Whatever. Anyway, but we both got Legos. I got this. He got a stock car. He's bigger than NASCAR. That fits him. This fits me. I wish I could fit into one of these. I gotta slim down this year. Anyway, doing a little bit of Googling says this takes about an hour to put together. I've not done one in years. Right now the box is unopened. I'm a little bit intimidated, to be honest with you, because I've not done it in so long, and 280 pieces. I don't know. We're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to put on some music for me. And I've got a spare phone that I'll listen to music on, and I'll use that also to keep track of time. I'll put this video on hyperlapse, and to not bore you too much with me putting together a toy as a 42-year-old man. But we're going to find out today how long does it take to put together the Porsche 963 Lego Speed Champion kit from Legos. That was redundant. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, guys, it is 2:13. I've been at this for, I think, 40 minutes. And I'm putting the rear wheel arches on. And I'm hitting something here. So I start looking back at the pictures, and this isn't correct. This little piece on both sides, I don't have it the right place. I have to twist it. So I got to take all this other stuff off to get to that little piece to move it here, and then put the stuff back on so the rear wheel arches fit. I will say that so far, building this kit has been, as a whole, satisfying. It's been kind of neat, like kind of seeing it come together. But man, Legos were so much easier when I was a kid. I feel like they'd have all these parts and weird shapes and stuff. But yeah, also I hate doing the stickers. The stickers aren't fun to put on for me. But yeah, so now I got to go back, fix this little bit here to move it forward to give room for the rear wheel arches, both sides. So anyway, I'm about 40 minutes in. So let's backtrack and go again. 2:45. It's been an hour 15, and I'm putting the scene back together. And this just seemed off. How it was protruding this little bit here. Also, there were a few pieces that I didn't see where they went to the first time. Like, I forgot where they went to initially. So that's not good. But this protruded, and I was like, well, maybe it's supposed to. I don't know. So let me keep on going. And now I'm getting to the rear end, the exhaust, and the brake lights, and that doesn't work. That doesn't match up with that. So I've got to backtrack a lot and keep that kind of just doing its thing. I've got to backtrack quite a bit. Let me tell you something. What's it say? 9 years old and plus? We're up, man. So I gotta backtrack. Somewhere over here. I gotta go back. I don't know how much. I don't know. But I gotta do it. But let's see, I'm on page 53 of 91. 92 pages will complete it. So I was just over halfway, and I gotta backtrack. That kind of sucks, but whatever. Gotta do it. I'm kind of bummed. All right. It was almost exactly 2 hours. I think I started at 1:31. It's now 3:31. So from time of unboxing, which I took some time on that, I was trying to cut the adhesive instead of just cutting the box. I didn't want to damage the box. So from that to all my errors and mistakes, here's what we finally come up with. As you can see in the back, I did not apply all the graphics. I don't really enjoy that. That brought me no joy. And maybe it's something I can go back and do, and maybe find out like some tips and tricks on how to get it placed just right, because I don't know, for me it's very difficult. Also, in my opinion, a shocking number of extra parts. Now, some things like this guy's hair and his little wrench, that makes sense. I've got 4 of the little wheels to choose from. You had 2 choices, the like 8-spoke design, or I went with the 5-spoke design. Okay, so those make sense. Push those over, but then there was an extra visor for the helmet. There was an extra headlight for the front of the car. And then all these other little things. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't know if I'm supposed to have used those or not. I've not done Legos before. I mean, I have when I was a kid, when I was young. but it's been a really long time, and I don't know if I was supposed to use those. Actually, I'm looking at the picture now, and I think that these little guys go right there. So I got a little place for those at least. But there's 3, not 4. There's 3 of these little plug thingies. So I really don't know. What I do know is it took me 2 hours. While frustrating at times whenever you realize that you've made a mistake and you got to go back through and go back to the directions and try to figure it out. That's frustrating, sure. But you know, this was a good gift. I really enjoy it. I really did enjoy putting this together. And it's pretty cool. It really is a pretty nice little piece. So a good gift and a good way to spend my day off from work. Again, it is New Year's Day. We were off. Good way to spend my day. Again, more work to do with the stickers and maybe I can figure out where little pieces go. But yeah, 2 hours. I'm about to have a dang master's degree. It took me 2 hours to do this dang thing. That's nuts. Anyway, y'all take care. Thanks for joining.